Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring a brand new stamp set called Snow is Glistening and an amazing new die collection called Snowfall Thinlits. I'm serious, this is gorgeous. So these will be on sale November 1st. It's a time-limited product, so it's only while supplies last. So I anticipate that it will be a favorite of everyone's. I have the product in my hands now because I'm a demonstrator. And if you can't wait to November 1st, or you're really wanting to get this and you don't want the supplies to run out, you can sign up as a demonstrator and add this to your starter kit. And I would love to have you on my team. A little selfless plug here. I will put the information in the description of this video, or if you're watching on my blog, I'll have some additional information under this video. So before you ask, yes, I'll be doing a class featuring this product. How could I not? It's amazing. So if any Canadian wants some inspiration to go along with this stamp set, one can pre-order my class today. I will invoice you from PayPal at some point this month. The cost of the stamp set and die plus shipping, which is $89.95. And then in addition, your province's tax. So that could be anywhere between 5 and 15%. And I will gift you the Snowflake trinkets. These are super cute and gorgeous little snowflakes, metal snowflakes, and their cost is about $10. So hopefully you will sign up for the class. And of course, I'm busy playing with this set right now. You are going to love it. But anyway, let's get on with today's card. All right, so I have some watercolor paper. This happens to be Arches cold pressed cotton watercolor paper. And I have a hardboard here with a little waterproof backing. And I'm just going to use my frog tape and tape down the edges. Now I have 2 little soy sauce dishes and I'm putting in 2 drops of Pacific Point Re-Inker and 2 drops of Gorgeous Grape Re-Inker. Now I have my shimmer paint. This is Frost White, and I'm shaking it up, and I have a little pipette here, and I'm just going to drop about 2 drops of the shimmer paint into the Re-Inker. Now I'm going to take a large paintbrush and really saturate my watercolor paper. Then I'm going to have a wet brush and I'm going to mix up my Pacific Point and shimmer paint, and I'm just going to drag the brush along the watercolor paper. And I'm going to do the same with my Gorgeous Grape. Now I'm sort of flicking on some of the ink as well. This will create a variation of color for my background piece. And I just added a pipette, a little pipette of water. So the pipettes I have seen at the craft store. I was gifted them from a friend recently. And also the watercolor paper. I know the watercolor paper is expensive, but no other watercolor paper works like this. Like, this is a phenomenal watercolor paper. So if you ever have your 50% off Michael's coupon, go use it on the watercolor paper. You will not be disappointed. And you cut it up. So like, you just use a small piece at a time. So really it will last you a long time. That's my very first Arches watercolor paper. Okay, so you can see what I did there. Added a few more drips, and now I've used a heat tool and dried it. And you can see that variation that I'm looking for. So now I just took a clean, clear brush with water on it and flick that water up. So now I'm going to lift up that shimmer paint and ink and get some splotches going. Now this is just going to create, I'm going to die cut this. So this is going to create interest and light and dark spots on my snowflakes. All right, so I have my precision base plate here and the watercolor paper, and use my frog tape right over top of that. And I always face it down. So, well, the dies face up on my machine so that I can get a really good impression. And now I'm using my die brush remover thing. And those are my snowflakes. Aren't they gorgeous? Ah, I love them. I love this set. I have so many ideas. Okay, so this is a 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 inch card base. I just wanted to do a square card. I wanted the snowflake to be the star of this card. So I just inked up with Pacific Point, the 4U that comes in the stamp set, and these so adorable little snowflakes. They're so cute. I love them. And gorgeous grape as well. So I'm just doing a couple of corners, just adding a little bit of interest because that big fat snowflake is going right in the middle. And okay, so there it is. Now I'm putting dimensional on my small one. It barely fits too, but I have a plan. So I'm going to put so that you can see both, you know, opposites. So the blue's going to go on the pink and the pink's going to go on the blue kind of thing. Then I'm taking my dark Night of Navy blends marker and I am coloring my clear faceted gem, just one of them, really well. Make sure you don't ruin the tip. And applying that right in the center. Oh my gosh, it's a blue and pink snowflake. I love it. Do you think I like snowflakes or something? Really? Anyway, that is my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me. Hopefully you'll take my class and I'll have some more inspiration for you too using this set. Okay, see you later. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.